Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable Windows Defender Firewall into your Windows 11. So what you have to do, just simply come over into your search option and then you just need to search for Windows Defender Firewall. And you can see you will get this option over here into the control panel. So if you click on that, you will get this kind of options over here. So what you can do, if it's turned it off, then you just need to go for turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off section. So if you click on that, we will come over here, and if it's turned on Windows Defender Firewall, so if it's turned off over here like this, then you will get this kind of gray over here. So what you can do, you just simply click on turn on Windows Defender Firewall, and also you just need to select turn on Windows Defender Firewall as well. Into the private network settings also, and the public network settings also. So this is how you can turn on Windows Defender Firewall into your Windows Defender. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.